Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Environmental Studies Part 1, Standard 4, Chapter number 17, My Upbringing. Children, in this chapter you can see various stages of your life. We learn many things while we are growing up. They lead to development of certain habits, likes and dislikes. The way of thinking also changes and also shapes our thoughts. This is what is called as our upbringing. You must have seen your childhood photographs. You crawling, you learning how to walk and also to talk. And apart from this, you learn how to brush your teeth, how to eat food without spilling, how to behave with the people older than you. These all are basic ones. Besides this, you also learn how to fill your school bag, how to ride a bicycle, how to feed cattle and buy groceries. You also learn how to behave with the strangers and many more things. The list can go on and on. You must have learned many things from your parents and relatives. Holding our hands, our parents teach us to walk. They teach us how to behave and talk to others. We make mistakes. They show us how to correct them. They want us to be good people. As our parents teach us how to grow, similarly, animals also teach their younger ones. How does a lion cub learn how to hunt? A lion cub is not able to hunt as soon as it is born. It is taught how to hunt by its mother and other lionesses in the pride. These cubs are quite helpless for about first 2 weeks. They do not even open their eyes. Therefore, their mothers keep them hidden away from others. Lionesses are the ones who take care of the cubs and they teach them different things. When the cubs are about 8 weeks old, they are introduced to the other members of the pride. All the lionesses take care of the cubs. A cub is pampered by all of them until it is 3 months old. Then it begins to learn how to hunt. It takes 2 to 3 years for a cub to become adapted at hunting. Our loved ones too try hard to see that we develop good habits. Our grandparents, uncle and aunts also have great affection for us. We learn many things from them. People who are close to us teach us how to carry out our own tasks ourselves. They appreciate it when we can do all the things properly. They commend us saying that we have grown up. Now let us see how the upbringing made students brave and what are their brave acts. Hali is a girl from Shahapur Taluka in Thane district. Hali rescued her sister from a leopard. Samip Anil Pandit rescued buffaloes tied in the cowshed from a fire. For these brave acts, the two were felicitated with the National Bravery Award by Prime Minister of India in 2013. Here is one more story which is very inspiring for us and for others as well, which is of Baba Amte. You all must have heard his name. Baba Amte spent his entire life in social service. His lifelong goal was to serve people suffering from leprosy and also other handicapped people, and to help them stand on their own feet. In this mission, he was helped immensely by his wife Sadhna Tai. His work is being carried on by his sons and his daughter in laws. Now, even the third generation of the Amte family is carrying on this mission. This example of social service carried on relentlessly by three generations of the family is really inspiring, which happened because of good upbringing. Everything that we learn is not taught to us by somebody. We pick up many things through exposure and observations. We are influenced by other people around us, just as we are influenced by our friends. We try to imitate them without thinking whether that behavior is good or bad. We meet our neighbors every day for some or the other reason. We observe their way of behaving, speech, and eating habits. This too has an influence on our upbringing. If people from other places happen to be our neighbors, we naturally get to know their festivals and food too, which may be different from ours. This is how we become familiar with the diversity. Our behavior also depends in what place we live. Now let us have a short recap. The many things we learn as we grow up together makes our upbringing. Our parents and close relatives play an important role in our upbringing. We also learn many things from our friends and neighbors. We learn from our conscious efforts taken to make us good. We also learn through observations and exposure. And the last and most important thing is whatever things we adapt makes our behavior good. If we adapt good things, our behavior will be good. But if we adapt bad things, our behavior will become bad. I hope you enjoyed learning this lesson. Stay safe and keep learning.